Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can activate your Tello SIM card. In order to do so, here we are at tello.com/activate. And as you can see, if you are here on this page and you have an activation code, then all you have to do is just enter it here and hit continue. If you take a look here at this icon with the eye on it, it says you can find the 8 to 9 digit activation code printed on the plastic card containing your SIM. So if you have that SIM, then you should see the activation code there, and you can enter it here in order to continue. Now, if we take a look at the frequently asked questions, then we could see here that they do answer the question, how can I activate the service when I receive my new Tello SIM? So when the package arrives, you're going to want to go to the My SIM section of your Tello online account, enter the activation code in the provided field, and provide the prompts to activate. Once the activate is processed, a new number will display on your dashboard. Then you can insert the SIM card according to the device instructions and turn on the device to test the service. If your phone does not activate automatically, please wait 10 minutes, reboot your phone, and try again. Start calling, texting, and surfing the web with Tello. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find a link to our X page. We just got started there. We'd love to have you. And we also have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as our top AI tool recommendation. Skillcraft 60 will get you 60% off to Sintra AI. It is a fantastic business strategy platform. Highly recommend you take a look at that. We also have links to Cider AI and EnzoBot, as well as Roamless eSIM. Click on those links to get started, and you'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.